name is BB Fuzz. BB Fuzz. BB Fuzz. All right. To begin the lesson, review page 14 and 15 and play each box. On page 16 and 17, you'll find the new notes D and G. If you forget the string names, remember our song, Every Ant Deserves Great Big Ears. Box 4 on page 16 would sound like this.
Deserves rest, every rest. D, rest, E, rest.
Box 3 on page 17 would sound like this.
Great, great rest, deserves. G, G, rest, D.
After playing page 16 and 17, use the cards to create your own E, A, D, and G songs. If you forget your assignment, come over and take a look. Treat your guitar with kindness, strum it gently, and remember, we're not going to touch the tuning keys.